Our local water agency issued their guidelines for this season. Our neighbors said we should replace our green spaces with rock and dirt. And my husband was ready to give up on our lawn and garden. I wasn't giving up that easily. Our backyard has been our oasis ever since we built this house. I mean, both Sarah and Emily were married out here. And my grandmother's pasta recipe just won't be the same with store-bought canned tomatoes. There had to be a way to live within the restrictions, but not lose our cherished space. What's more, is this one-size-fits-all guidance just doesn't make sense. Did you know that each type of grass, plant, and flower has its own water storage system and watering needs? Bushes like these have deep roots, so they can store a lot of water and need to be watered less. The grass isn't as deep, but it can still store some water. But flowers like these can hardly store any water at all, so they need to be watered more often in smaller amounts. Trying to water each of these plants in the same way isn't efficient. So we went smart, as in B-hyve smart water management devices. They water each space precisely and stay within the rules. B-hyve makes sure each zone gets exactly the amount of water it needs. We replaced our old sprinkler controller with a B-hyve smart sprinkler timer for the lawn. This hose tap timer takes care of the garden and flowers using a drip system that delivers water directly to the plant's roots, right where it's needed. Regulations will differ from our house to yours, but that doesn't matter with B-hyve. B-hyve has drought settings built in. So when I tell it we're in a D2 drought stage, it automatically adjusts and only distributes the amount of water allowed. Plus, most homeowners overwater by about 50% as it is. So even if you're not in a drought, B-hyve helps you conserve water. We felt like we were in a no-win situation, but with B-hyve, we can conserve water during the dry seasons while nourishing a green lawn and lush garden.